Guys, welcome back to a brand new series of HTML and CSS challenges. And today's challenge is building a hero page or hero header. And this challenge is for absolute beginners, those who don't have any knowledge in web development or they just started web development. And those who are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and also press the bell button to get all the notification of my new videos. This is the final output of our design. This is a responsive page. If you inspect this is a tablet view, and if I change it to mobile view, it looks like this. So it will automatically adjust with your screen size. So here you can add any other extra content. So now we are building a company website. So this is a hero page, and here we will add company profile. So on we are adding other elements to this page. So today's our challenge is building a hero page. To build this hero page, I have used VS Code as a code editor. You can use any code editor. If you want to use VS Code, I have made one video how to install VS Code. So the link is given in the description or in the I button. Please go through it. So without wasting your time, let's get started to build our hero page. So before coding, I'm gonna explain what we are going to do in this video. First, we are adding one background image, and then we are creating one header and adding one logo, and then we are adding a text here and a subtitle. This is a simple hero page. So go to any location in your desktop, and here I will create one folder for our website. This is my website name or my company name. So I open that. By right clicking it, I open it in VS Code. I will close this. I am going to create one HTML file. I will call it as index.html. Now it is in Django HTML. I need to change this. You will not get this kind of problem because previously I have used Django HTML, so by default I am getting Django HTML here. Now we need to install two extensions. One is HTML snippets. First one you install this one, and one more live server. So this one you need to install. These two things you need to install before starting. And now I will just type HTML, and you will get these snippets. I will click on HTML5, and this is the template for our HTML5. So this dog type, it will indicate that we are using HTML5, and we need to change our title of our website. So I'm going to change this to world class. And now we need to write our content. For my hero page, I will create one div. So inside div, first I will give name to this div. So I will give name as hero. So class equal to hero. Then inside this I need to build one header. So for that I will create one more div. I will give name as header, and I will create one more div for hero body. And yeah, now we are done. So now inside header I need to have two elements. One is logo and the nav links. So that is navigation links. So I will create two divisions for that. So I need to create two divs. And inside body I have written my company name and one subheading. So for that I need to create two divisions for that. Div, and I will write the class name as I will write title. And now we are going to add one logo. So now I will just write logo here. Later I will add logo, and I need to create three nav links. So for that I will use list, and in that also I will use an ordered list. So I will write ul. Instead of that I will create list elements by typing li. So I need to have three nav links. So I will create three. Here I will give home. contact, about us, and inside hero title we need to give our company name. It is world class. I will write world class accounting, and in subtitle I will give some fancy words like expertise, commitment, and value. So now we are finished with the skeleton of our web page. Now let's save this. Earlier I told you to install one extension, live server. So using that we are going to run this website on our Chrome. So just right click on it, open with live server. So now it looks like a skeleton of our website. So after applying style, it will look like a complete website. So let's do that. And now I will add one style sheet, that is index.css. I will change that to style.css. Okay, now link that here. About title I will link. I want to link CSS. So the name I have already given. So I will just save this page. And first I will take this class hero. I need to add that background image. So I will copy. I will just write dot. I will paste here. So when we want to access an element by its class name, we use dot. So I need to add background image that. So I will write background. Just write background. I need to give URL. But now I don't have any image in my current folder. So I will add those two images. For you, the image is given in the description. Please download it and use it in your project. So now I have added these two images. I will link it here. So I will just write the name, that's desktop png. I will save this. You can see I got that image, but it is not completely visible because I have not mentioned the screen width here. So I need to give the screen width. I will give it as 100 v width. So by giving like this, it will automatically align. And I will give height also 100 v height. So it will automatically adjust its height with respect to the screen height. So let's see. So if I increase its screen also, it will automatically adjust. And also we are seeing some gap in the edges. So this is because this Chrome by default applying some styles to our HTML element. So we need to remove that style. For that we will create star and write margin to 0 and padding 0 and save. Now you can see there is no any extra style for this page. Now it is gone. Guys, you can see that the image is not aligned properly and text is in black, so we need to change that. So now here I will change the color to white. We'll save this. So now color we change it to white, and we need to align this background properly. So we need to change the background size. Background size I will let 100%. Save this. Now the background is properly aligned. You can see that whenever I decrease its width, the background is repeating. So we need to stop that. So background repeat, give to no repeat. Let's save it. The background is not repeated, and we need to align these things properly. Before that, divide this title into two parts. So I will write two h1 tags. First I will write world class in that. You can see the difference. Now I will start editing this header. So I will copy this last name. I will go to style dot header. Inside that I will change its display property. Display equal to flex. You can see now it is aligned as row wise. So that's what we wanted. I would like to keep some distance between a logo and nav link, so that I will add justify content as space around. So I will save now. Now you can see that these both have sufficient space between them and these are aligned centrally. But if you want to align this both towards end, instead of space around, we can use space between. Both are aligned at the end. Now you can see that these logo and these nav links are at the extreme corner, but we don't want them at the corner. We want little bit space around them, so we need to add padding, not auto. I will add 10 pixel So now there is some space around this logo and nav links, and now I need to change how these nav links look. For that I will access that nav links by using this nav, but the UL is not actually required, so I will delete that. I will save it because it is assigning its own style to these elements. We don't want that, that's why I removed that UL. But whenever you create any list, you must include that UL. And now I access that nav links by using nav dot nav. All the elements we need to align row wise, so in this also display equal to flex I will give, and now you can see it is aligned row wise. Now we need to remove these bullet points in the nav links, so that is very simple. List style type, there you type none. So now let's save that. You don't see any bullet points, but these are collapsed, so we need to add some space between them. So we need to add padding, not auto. One view width, it will vary according to the width of our screen. But the problem what happened here, we have applied that to our new component. You can see here we applied to a new component, so we are supposed to apply that to the each individual link. So what I will do that, I will access that by using li, so we can directly access that list element, and I will remove this padding here and apply here. Now I will save. Now we can see we got that. Now we need to align this world class accounting to in this place. So what we have to do here, we have to divide these components. One is this header and this header hero body. We need to consider this as a two component, and for hero we need to apply display equal to flex, so it will divide these two things. So let's do that. In hero, here we need to apply display equal to flex. So here whatever is by default, it aligned items row wise. We don't want that, so we are explicitly mentioned here flex direction is column. Now this is aligned column wise, but we want this to be here, so we need to give justify content to be at the space between. Let's say that. But this is what happened is, now it is here, but we cannot see. You can see it is here. It taken whole display space, but we wanted that to be here. But it will look properly when we increase the screen width, so it will align in this portion only. By hard coding it we can bring it here, but when we like if we inspect the screen, so it is aligned here, but we want it to be here. So that's why we have to do a little bit changes in the code. Here we need to add media query. So by using media query we can create different layouts depending upon the screen side. So for this different view we create different layout. For that just have to we use media query. So here what I do is we write at media query media screen and max width, and mention 1000 px. Sorry, I mentioned 100,000 px, and then what I have to do is I have to change my hero width. Sorry, I need to change height to 50 view height. Something wrong here, so there is here no double quote. Sorry for that. Now we can see that it's aligned properly. So now I have to give padding around this world class text. To give that I need to import that its tag, that is hero body. I need to use this hero body here, not hero body. And here I need to give padding, not auto. I will give according to the screen width. I will give 10 view width. So now it is aligned here. That's what we wanted. Now I will change our logo also. So let's go to here, index.html. Here I mentioned logo, but I will change its I will change that to image. Source I will give as what name I have given, logo only I have given. Right here logo.png. Alt I will give logo. So sorry, pn width I will change to 64 px. Now it is not aligned with the text, so if I want I can make it. I will do that. How much padding I have given? 10 v width. So I will in the logo inside the header I have used logo. So I will go here, I will create that, access that tag by using that logo, and here I give padding to left side. Will give 10 view width. So now it is aligned along with this. I will decrease its size also. Now 64 I will use 40 pixel. Yeah, now it is looks properly, and I need to increase its size also. I will go to here, and inside text body I need to access this by using hero title. Control C, it's hero title dot hero title. Access that hero title, and font size I need to change. Font size I use 2 rem. So big it is. I need to change it to 1.8. Let's see. Actually we need to change this font when we are using a desktop. I need to display even more larger text, so I will keep it 2.5 rem. Now it is perfect, but in mobile or tablet screen I need to display the smaller text, so I go with the 1.5 rem. So you can see now it looks properly, and I need to change the subtitle color. So here I change dot hero subtitle. Not exactly gray. We need to change its font. I will go to Google Fonts. I will use this font. So regular I will use. And I will import this. So just have to use this in your style sheet. Control C. In hero page I will use. No. This one we have to paste at the top and save. And then we need to import the font family. Control C. In hero we need to import the font family. Save this one. You can see the font now it is changed to different one. Sorry, I need to close here. Yeah, I can see the different font here. Let's check its responsivity. So this is what we wanted, the final output. You can see that now it is not completely responsive. You can see this text hidden. So for that we need to increase the height of this image. For that, go to your code, and here I need to change, and here I need to change the background size. That is, I will change that background size to 100%. I will give. You can see now it is aligned properly, but we are missing some part of image here. For that we need to change the position. Background position center we will give, and I will share this entire code in my website, and the website link will be given in the description, and you can copy that code. And don't copy, just try to rebuild it, try it by yourself, and then only you can learn web development. And this is a simple website, and in the next challenge we are going to build company profile, and also don't miss that video. So for that you need to subscribe to my channel if you haven't do that. This is it for in this video, and if you want to continue in this series, please subscribe to my channel, and if you know anyone just started learning web development, please share this video with them. And this is HyperXD signing off.